In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payments in FreshBooks. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their accounting process by utilizing the advance payment features available in FreshBooks. Let's dive in and ensure you're set up for success. To start, you'll need to navigate to the FreshBooks website. You can do this quickly by entering FreshBooks into your preferred search engine and clicking on the link to their official site. Once you're there, look for the Login button. Typically, you'll find this at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Login to proceed. Now, using your credentials, go ahead and sign into your FreshBooks account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a Forgot Password option to help you reset it. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This hub will become integral as you navigate through FreshBooks. Next, locate and click on the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can typically be found in the top navigation bar or on the sidebar, depending on your version of FreshBooks. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, search for the Accounting section. Within the settings, you'll find this as a tab or link. Selecting Accounting will lead you to the area where you can modify your accounting settings. Once you're in the Accounting section, the next step is to enable Advanced Accounting. Look for the option to turn on Advanced Accounting features. This may be presented as a toggle button or a link that says Turn on Advanced Accounting. Enabling this feature will add new functionalities to your FreshBooks account that are crucial for handling advance payments. After turning on Advanced Accounting, you might want to explore the different advance payment settings available. Though the setup itself might not require further action, understanding these features will aid in maximizing their use in your accounting workflow. In summary, you've successfully accessed and activated advanced payment options in FreshBooks. This setup opens new possibilities for more efficient payment processing and financial management. Remember, using these advanced tools can significantly enhance your business operations, saving you both time and effort. You're now set to take advantage of FreshBooks' advanced payment capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your business tools. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy accounting!